Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khonze ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lesi-ke sekukhona-ke usisi-ke osebhale-ke incwadi-ke laphana-ke ebhalela-ke uJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke sola-ke udonsa hlophe ngokumnukubeza-ke ngokocansi-ke. Kodwa uma kufundela le ncwadi-ke ibhale ukuthi-ke 16 January 2025. Dear Mr. President, Dear Mr. President, Umkhonto weSizwe, I trust this letter finds you well. I write this letter to you to express my concern about the events that have been unfolding in our beloved party, Umkhonto weSizwe, especially the events that relate to myself being victimized through propaganda and false accusations placed upon my name. I would like to put it on record that these accusations have been escalating since the Deputy President CDE John Hlophe made sexual advances towards me that I did not appreciate. As a leader in Umkhonto weSizwe, I take the matters of ethics and morality very serious and with the mandate to serve and deliver to our people. As a woman, I'm being vilified and victimized since I refuse to give into his attempts of spending the night with him as favors on August 4th in 2024. He sent a text with effect of 2022-54 on this day after we had a leadership meeting in Lesprut. My refusal and unresponsiveness was the diplomatic drive to manage the situation. I feel that the persistent vilification and continued propaganda against me is consequences of my refusal to give in to his advances. This manufactured behind the scene by him. Kind regards, Mary Party, MK Party, Mpumalanga. Mina ngicela laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungene kuma-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke udaba-ke lolu-ke besikwenze kulungile-ke lapho-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonze ukwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke.